Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. You need to begin by opening Calendar app and tapping on a date that you wish to set up. After that, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner to create your event and adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it. Now click on this icon here and pick its color. After that, you can set up starting hour or ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always tap on this sweater next to all day to disable this feature completely. Then click on location here, tap on map and select settings. Now you need to choose permissions and tap on location. Then click on allow only while using the app or ask every time. Go back, tap on map again, and over here you can type in an address or keyword. I will go with keyword. Then tap on correct result, choose done at the bottom right corner, and finally set up notifications, minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. When you're ready, go back, take notes. Choose busy over here and select one of those options. I will go with free, invite people, and even select does not repeat, in this case don't repeat, and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. I don't, so I'll go with don't repeat over here, go back, and finally save my event by choosing save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, you need to click on it, tap on it over here, and select edit at the bottom. Then make your changes and select cancel in order to discard them, then discard in this pop-up, or save them by choosing save. If you wish to get rid of your event though, you need to click on it again, but this time select delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!